Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. That lines up just about perfect. Just about's pretty good, but it's not quite perfect. So, we got to fiddle with it a bit. Ah, perfect. Perfect. Just took a little fitting. Make sure everything's lined up. Cool. Now I got this box full of split bushings. They were in an old toolbox, and I thought, well, I'll keep them around. I don't know what use I'll get out of them. Turns out this split bushing is a perfect fit for that hole. That's going to let me drill down through there exactly in the center where I want it to be. And there's the drill. That drill bit's acting pretty dull. That's a hardened bolt. I have managed to drill down into it a ways, but take it out the drill bit pretty quick. Well, I drilled through the screw. With a pilot hole drilled, now I can drill it out to a number 21 drill. That gives me enough clearance to put a 1032 thread down through the hole. There. That bushing earned its keep. It can sit in that box for another 10 years. Save me about an hour of fiddling making one. There we go. No holes in the tank, that's good. And 3 good solid bolts and everything all lined up. I'm going to say that's a success. Now I got to pick up my tools and then put the fuel line or put the oil line on. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.